Exercise 182, page 460, question 5a. Integral of 2 times the integral of the square root of x cubed. The 2 can stay outside the integral, but we need to rewrite the power inside, or the root inside, in power form. So the first step is to write this as equal to the 2 times the integral of x to the 3 over 2 with respect to x, because the square root gives us a 2 underneath in the power, as you should know. Now I can use the integral, or the integral, add 1 to the power divided by the new power. So the 2 stays there. 3 halves plus 1 is 5 halves over 5 halves. Now just to tidy up this, don't forget to plus c. Remember, dividing by 5 over 2 is the same as multiplying by 2 over 5. So this becomes 2x to the 5 over 2 times 2 over 5. Inverting this denominator at the underneath here, and then calling it a multiplier, which is what we do when we divide by a fraction. We invert the second fraction, multiply, that idea. So that's what's happened there. Now on the top, we've got 2 times 2, which gives 4x to the 5 over 2 over 5 plus c. Don't forget. So then, rewriting the x to the 5 over 2 in root form, remembering divide by 2 means the square root. So I could write that as 4 times the square root of x to the 5 all over 5 plus c. Part B, the integral of a quarter, the 4th root of x to the 5. Well, as in part A, we could take the quarter outside the integral, and we can always do that, actually, take a constant outside the integral. That just leaves us a 4th root of x to the 5, which I can write using laws of indices as x to the 5 over 4. Now, as in part A, we just add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. So this becomes a quarter x to the 5 quarters plus 4 quarters is 9 quarters. What's happening here is, to get from here to here, we're doing 5 quarters plus 1, which is the same as 5 quarters plus 4 quarters, which is 9 quarters. So that's what's going on there. So add 1 to the power, we get 9/4 divided by 9/4 plus c. Of course, as in part A, dividing by 9/4 is the same as multiplying by 4/9. So we get a quarter x to the 9 over 4 times 4 over 9 plus c. Looking here, we can see that we've got a 4 on the bottom and a 4 on the top, so they cancel. So that means we're left with the solution x to the 9 over 4 over 9 plus c. And writing in root form, the root of the fraction of the 4 underneath means we can write that as the 4th root. So this could be written as the 4th root of x to the 9 all over 9 plus c.